You don't have to choose between success and peace. True abundance flows when you are calm, grateful, and grounded in the present moment. Welcome to Daily AffirmGlow, your safe space for healing, attracting abundance, and transforming your mindset. This video will help you align your thoughts with wealth and inner peace. Listen to it daily, preferably in the morning or right before sleep, and allow these words to reprogram your subconscious. You are more powerful than you think. Let this be your reminder that you can attract everything you desire while staying deeply happy within. Let's begin. I inhale trust, exhale fear. Abundance begins with appreciation. I feel safe in my body. I am grounded. The present moment is enough. I trust the process of life. Gratitude fills every cell of my being. I am calm and connected. Peace begins with me. My roots are strong. My energy is steady. Every breath I take anchors me in peace. The world may rush, but I remain still. The more grateful I am, the more abundant I feel. Even in silence, I find wholeness. I don't chase the future, I root into now. This moment is precious. My heart opens with every thank you I whisper. Grounded in gratitude, I become magnetic. I am not in a hurry. I am exactly where I need to be. All that I desire is already moving toward me. Because I appreciate what I have, more is on the way. When I slow down, I speed up my alignment. When I ground myself, I rise. My stability is my superpower. Gratitude is my foundation for wealth. I pause, I feel, I breathe, I trust. Abundance is not always loud. Sometimes it hums quietly beneath your feet. My peace is wealth. My calm is prosperity. Each breath I take is a deposit into my future. I am rooted in enoughness. And from this calm center, miracles unfold. I thank the earth. I thank my breath. I thank the now. I let go of rush. I let go of lack. I stand firmly in this moment. I feel the richness in simplicity. I feel the sun, the breeze, the stillness. They are all enough. They are all abundant. So am I. I trust myself to receive and enjoy abundance. I am open to receiving unexpected blessings. I deserve to thrive, not just survive. I welcome wealth into my life with open arms. Abundance is my natural state. I flow with life, not against it. I release guilt and fully receive what is mine. Money flows to me because I am aligned with value. I am worthy of abundance in all forms. Every act of self-love invites more prosperity. I allow myself to enjoy the gifts that come to me. The more I feel deserving, the more I receive. My self-worth creates a pathway for abundance. I am no longer blocking the flow. I say yes to the good things life offers. I trust the divine timing of all that comes. Opportunities find me because I'm ready to say yes. I don't force. I flow. I let go of fear. I let go of shame. I let go of limits I did not choose. Today I claim abundance as my truth. It's okay to want more. It's safe to receive. I deserve ease. I deserve wealth. I deserve joy. The universe responds to my belief in myself. The more I trust, the more I attract. I don't chase. I align. Abundance flows to those who feel worthy. I am one of them. I am that person, and I love who I am becoming. There is nothing I need to prove. Just by existing, I am enough. And from that enoughness, it makes flow. I am free from care and suffering. I serve the whole, and from that enoughness, I receive. I allow life to shower me with riches, with peace, with soft mornings and golden days. Wealth flows to me through my gifts and joy. Money honors my energy. I give and receive with balance. I say thank you in advance for all that is coming. I welcome it with open arms and an open heart. I am always in flow with abundance and an open heart. I am always in flow with abundance, and it feels natural to receive it. I am free of resistance. I no longer question if I am worthy. I know I am. I've always been. So I release the guilt, the shame, the too much, and I rise in my deserving. I receive not just for me, but for the world I'll impact. I trust myself with more. I will use it wisely, joyfully, lovingly, because I was never meant to live in lack. I was meant to flow, and now I do. I am happy now, and abundance follows my energy. I choose joy every day, in small and big ways. I find happiness in the present moment. I deserve to feel good while building my dreams. Joy is my natural state. Peace and joy live within me. My life is rich with beautiful experiences. I smile at the little things, and they grow. My energy is light. My heart is full. I laugh easily. I breathe deeply. I feel alive. Emotional wealth is the foundation of my success. Happiness is not a destination. It's how I travel. Every joyful moment attracts more of the same. Abundance begins inside. And I feel it. Right now. Right here. I release the need to struggle. I choose lightness instead. I enjoy the journey, and the journey loves me back. My joy creates ripple effects. When I am happy, I inspire others to rise too. That's powerful. That's real success. I allow joy to lead me. I no longer postpone happiness for later. It belongs to me now, right here, in this breath. I am safe to celebrate myself. I am worthy of days that feel like sunshine. My life gets better when I feel better. Joy isn't earned, it's chosen, and I choose it fully. I am allowed to feel joy and still grow. I can feel grateful and still desire more. It's all welcome. It's all part of my emotional wealth. True abundance includes ease, laughter, rest, and beauty. I make room for all of it because I deserve a soft life. And when I feel good, I do good. Joy fuels my action. Peace powers my passion. My success will never require me to sacrifice happiness. I align with joy, and wealth aligns with me. This is the life I choose. This is the life I create. And I love how it feels. I am calm. I am grounded. I am open to receive. I inhale peace. I exhale doubt. Abundance is flowing to me now, and I welcome it with a steady heart. I am enough. I have always been enough. I am safe in my receiving. I am supported by the universe. I trust the timing of my life. I trust the process. Wealth comes to me in gentle, aligned ways. I do not chase. I attract. I do not fear. My heart is open to miracles. My energy is magnetic. My thoughts are powerful. Each breath I take calls in more peace. Each moment I ground, I grow. I am in harmony with abundance. I deserve to feel good. I deserve to rise. I believe in my worth. I believe in my gifts. I believe in my future. I let go of urgency. I let go of pressure. I let go of the lie that I must struggle to receive. I let go of urgency. I let go of pressure. I let go of the lie that I must struggle to receive. I let go of urgency. I let go of pressure. I let go of the lie I must struggle to receive. I receive with ease. I receive with joy. I receive with calm confidence. I welcome wealth into my life. I welcome softness into my life. I welcome balance into my life. My body is calm. My mind is clear. My spirit is open. Abundance is my natural state. Peace is my home. I breathe in trust. I breathe out fear. I am deeply supported. I no longer resist what is meant for me. I no longer dim my light to make others comfortable. I am deeply supported. I no longer resist what is meant for me. I no longer dim my light to make others comfortable. I allow myself to shine. I am free to grow. I am free to thrive. I am free to feel good while receiving more. I call in prosperity that feels aligned. I call in opportunities that match my energy. I call in peace with every inhale. I am worthy of success that feels peaceful. I am aligned with flow, not force. I allow life to support me. There is no rush. There is only rhythm. There is only trust. With each breath, I soften into abundance. With each breath, I remember who I am. I am love. I am light. I am ready. I give thanks. I receive more. I repeat. Let these words settle into your spirit. You are already whole. You are already worthy. You are already abundant. There is nothing missing. There is nothing broken. You are not behind. You are right on time. You don't have to choose between peace and prosperity. You are allowed to have both. You are meant to have both. You were not created to live in fear. You were created to live in flow. Feel that truth in your chest. Feel that calm in your breath. That is your power. Abundance is not a reward. It's a reflection of who you believe you are. You are not here to prove your worth. You are here to remember it, to embody it, to receive from it. You are safe to let go of old stories, safe to soften, safe to rise. You can create, receive, and thrive, all from a grounded, joyful heart. Let this be your new normal. Calm mind, open heart, steady trust. Your desires are not too big. Your energy is not too much. Your dreams are divine instructions. You are allowed to expand and still feel at home within. Every time you return to this space, you are rewiring your mind and realigning with your truth. You are not starting over. You are rising again, wiser, softer, stronger. You have everything you need, and everything you want is on its way. Because you are not here to struggle, you are here to shine, and you are doing beautifully. So breathe that in. Feel the gratitude, feel the calm, feel the quiet joy. This is your foundation. And from here, you will rise again and again, gently, powerfully, in your own time, in your own way, because you are ready, and you are already enough. Thank you for listening with your heart today. Let this feeling stay with you, the calm, the trust, the quiet knowing that you are already on the path. Return to this space whenever you need to reconnect, to remember your power, to rest in your peace. Every time you choose alignment, the universe moves with you. Your success is not in the rush, it's in the stillness, it's in the soft decisions, it's in your belief in yourself. You are not just attracting wealth, you are becoming it. You are embodying abundance in your thoughts, your energy, your presence, and the world feels it. So breathe in this truth. You are safe, you are guided, you are worthy, you are ready. Subscribe to DailyAffirmation.com for more daily journeys of peace, joy, and personal power. And remember, your calm creates your success. Until next time, breathe easy, live gently, and receive fully. You are already glowing.